Oh, hey, PeaRoy, how you doing, buddy?
I'm doing pretty good, Mr. Rick. How you doing? I heard that generator's been dealing you fit.
I've been frustrated with this Sportsman generator. It'd like to got my goat, but I got it today, buddy. I got it today.
That's good, but you should have asked me to help you.
Well, I know you could have helped me, but
I know I could have.
You know me, I'm hard-headed.
Yeah.
I won't try to do it myself.
Right.
But look here. Have you heard any good dad jokes lately?
Why, yeah, I've heard some. You want me to
All
tell
right,
mine
well,
first?
You go ahead. No, I'll tell you what. Let me tell mine first, and you tell yours.
Okay, all right. We'll do it that way.
All right. Mine's going to be, I've heard some that were biblical, so I want to, but these are dad jokes now, you got to understand that.
They come out the Bible. All right.
All right.
Okay.
When was medicine first mentioned in the Bible?
When was medicine first mentioned in the Bible?
Right.
I couldn't tell you. I don't know.
Well, that was when God gave Moses 2 tablets.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
I get it. That's pretty good.
Okay.
Give me that.
Yep, they're dad jokes. So,
yeah, that's good. That's good. Give me that.
What time of day did God create Adam?
I don't know. I don't know.
Right before Eve.
Oh.
Time of the evening. Okay.
Evening. I get it. Yeah. That's not bad. But I bet you can give me a better one. Let's hear it.
Okay. PeaRoy, how do you make holy water?
How do I make holy water? I haven't got a clue.
Well, you just take regular old tap water and you just boil the devil out of it.
Boil the devil out of it. I get it.
Yeah.
That's a good one right there. I like it. All right, give me that.
Who was the smartest man in the Bible?
I don't remember it ever saying who the smartest man was. Who was it?
It was Abraham.
Abraham.
He knew a lot.
He knew a lot. I get it. He knew a lot. All right.
In the Bible.
I know, man.
I know you got to think about some of them.
Yeah, you do. You got to think about it.
Who was known to be the greatest comedian in the Bible?
Greatest comedian in the Bible? I don't know.
Well, it was Samson.
Samson.
They said he could bring the house down.
Oh, I get it. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I know. You get it? All right. You know, Samson.
Yeah, I do. That's good. Tell me.
All right, well, I'll go ahead and tell my long.
Oh, okay. You already told me.
All right, well, there was this man and this woman, and she fussed and fought all the time, but it was their 50th wedding anniversary, and he suggested, well, why don't we go see the old country? We'll go to Jerusalem.
Yeah.
And she said, all right, that sounds good to me. So they took a cruise over to Jerusalem.
Okay.
And they saw Jerusalem and all this kind of stuff, you know, and she was being herself. She just hollered and fussed and fought about everything. She was just always in a bad mood.
Yeah.
50 years.
Man, 50 years. He put up with it then.
It caught up with her because she had a heart attack and died.
Oh my goodness, on the trip.
Yeah.
Oh,
over
man.
in Jerusalem. So the man gets on the phone. He calls a funeral home back in the United States. Said, look here, my wife has died over here, and I need to know how much it's going to cost to have her sent to the United States.
You don't say.
Funeral director says, well, I'm going to tell you what. You ought to just go ahead and bury her there. It won't cost you but about $500.
$500? That's not bad.
And the guy said, no, I can't do that. How much is it? He said, well, it's going to cost you about $45,000 to have all that done.
Oh, my goodness.
But I'm telling you, you ought to bury her over there. He said, nope, can't do that. Said, I just learned about a man that died over here, and he rose up in 3 days. I just can't take that chance.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, man.
I know that's bad.
Oh, that's worse than bad. Oh, my goodness.
That's not good. That's not good. Okay, I'll tell you what. You tell me your jokes.
Okay.
All right? Your dad jokes.
All right. Well, why shouldn't you press a 4-leaf clover?
I don't know. Why shouldn't you iron a 4-leaf clover?
Well, you're pressing your luck.
Pressing your luck. Okay, that's a good one. Give me another.
What kind of key does it take to unlock a banana?
What kind of key unlocks a banana? I don't know.
A monkey.
A monkey.
Yeah, you should have got that.
I should have got that. All right, tell me, Neri.
What is a fancy fish called?
What is a fancy fish called? I don't know.
Sophisticated. Sophisticated.
That's hard enough for you to
It
say.
is.
I
That's
don't
real
even
hard.
want to come close to saying that, but I think I understand what
Yeah.
a fancy fish.
Sophisticated.
All right, go to nut.
Okay. All right. What do eggs drive?
What does an egg drive?
Yeah. A yolk.
A yolk.
Yeah, a yolk wagon.
Yolk
wagon.
wagon. Okay, that's good.
All right, I got one more. How does the moon take care of its hair?
How does the moon take care of his hair? I don't know. How?
And he clips. Clips.
Eclipse. Okay, eclipse. All right, I get that. All right, well, I'm hoping that your long joke is going to be funnier.
It might be. I don't know. It's as
I know,
bad
I
as
can't
yours.
talk.
That's right.
Go ahead. Tell your long
Bad
joke.
as yours. All right, one time this lady, she had to work late, and she come in late, you know, and she went straight to the bedroom.
Okay.
And when she got in there was 4 legs
Oh,
hanging out
okay.
from under the
That's
sheet.
not good.
Oh man, she got so mad, she picked up a bat,
Oh.
she just beat the devil out of all
Oh,
of them.
my
Just beat. Throw that old bat down and walked in there into the
What?
kitchen, and there sat her husband reading the newspaper. She goes, "What are you doing in here?"
What?
He said, "Well, I couldn't go to sleep because your mom and dad is visiting, and I gave them our room."
Oh, that's not
Oh,
good.
that's bad, ain't it?
Killed her own parents.
That's
Oh,
bad right
man.
there. I don't care what you
Beat her
say.
own parents.
Beat her-
Look,
beat
I'm
up
gonna leave
her
on that one. That's not good at all. Do a quick Slurpee break.
Beat up her own parents. My goodness.
All right,
Look
man.
at
I'll
him.
see y'all later. That was
All right, Mr.
that was
Big
something
Dog.
else.
We threw him, and so if you want to send in a dad joke, there's the address we're gonna put up there, and if I read it on the air here, I'll give you a recommendation. I'll thank you. How about that? I don't know. I can't thank anyway. Look here, I'm gonna be gone too. So y'all be sweet, and I'll see you